Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll tell you about a new feature in WhatsApp. But to be able to use this feature, you have to make sure you are updated to the latest version. So once you are updated, your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. What you have to do is you have to open your WhatsApp, and you see there is an avatar that you can use. So instead of your profile picture, you can set an avatar. Okay, so what you have to do is to do that you have to click on your picture, and when you click on edit, you can use your existing photo, or you can click on use avatar. Okay, so once you do that, you have a large variety of options to do that. So you can click on avatar to change your avatar if it is not already if it is already existing. So what you can do is you can select your skin color, you can select your uh, body gesture, or what do you call hair color, everything you can set. Okay, so you have a lot of options here, and you can choose your photo, and you can set your avatar. Okay, so these are the options that you have available. Like for example, you can also change your body type. Okay, so anything that you have here, or you can also change your outfit. So once you select that, so let's say I choose this one. So once you select that, then headwear, you can set whatever you want, anything you, let's say you want to have a cap like this, or let's say you want to have ear piercing or anything like that. Whatever you want to do, you can do all these things, and after that is done, mouth and everything you have to do what you want to do here. Okay, so also you can select the skin color, skin tone. Okay, if you are fair, you can choose a fair tone. Okay, you can also change the hairstyle. Okay, so once everything is done, uh, you can click on done, and you are good to go, and your avatar is set. So this is a new feature given in the WhatsApp updated version. So also once you have done that, you can select a pose like this or any other. Okay, so so any of these you can select, and you can select a background color and click on done, and bingo, you are having a new profile photo updated. So this is a new feature, and I thought it should be useful to share. And thanks for watching.